In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store address error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to change your DNS. How we can do that at the start or at the bottom search bar, please type for the panel. And then once you have typed for panel, you can see control panel under the best match. Navigate to the right side and click on open to proceed. Change the view like this first. Navigate to the view by click on the down arrow key, change it into large icons. Once done, you need to locate for the network and sharing center, click on it. And then there you can see connections, click in here. And then proceed to properties which has the shield icon. There you can see this kind of window. Please select for Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. Turned on the obtain an IP address automatically, and then use the following DNS server addresses. Turn this on and then set the preferred DNS into 48 and alternate DNS server into 28 and 24s. Then click on OK. So once what we have just set is the Google DNS under the best and the second Google DNS under the alternate. Okay, restart the PC and check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then I want you to check if the time and date has been set automatically. Navigate the taskbar, you can see your date and time. Make a right click, select for adjust date and time. And then turn the switch on under set time automatically and then the set time zone automatically. Once you're done, scroll down, sorry, navigate to the language and region and then you need to select your country or region and there this default, okay? As your default rather. And this here as well as the regional format. Close the window and then restart the PC and check if the error has been fixed. And if not, then I want you to disable your third party antivirus. So if you have a third party antivirus running in your PC, please disable it as much as possible if you can and installed it. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.